Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are finding this video helpful as you prepare for your exams. Understanding direct and inverse proportionality is crucial, and I have made sure to cover everything you need to know in this full course. So please subscribe. In this question, the amount of voltage V volts needed to send a fixed amount of current through a wire is directly proportional to its resistance R ohms. When R is equal to 6, V is equal to 9. Then we have been given with number of parts of the parameters we need to find out. Since it has been given that the voltage is directly proportional to the resistance R, in simple terms, it means that V decreases or increases or changes in such a way that the ratio V by R remains constant. And we usually denote this constant by K. So I can write this as V by R is equal to K, or V is equal to K times R, where K is the constant of proportionality, and remember, K is never ever equal to 0. Fine. Now to find out the value of this K, I can use this given information, that is R is equal to 6 and V is equal to 9. I will substitute these values into this equation to find out the value of K. So I will come up with V by R is the equation, and substituting the value of V, that is 9, and R is 6. So I will use 3 to make it the least. So K will be equal to, here 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So K is equal to 3 by 2. Now I will substitute this value of K is equal to 3 by 2 into this equation. So this equation will be V is equal to 3 by 2 times R. So this is the equation that connects V and R, or this is the equation that express V in terms of R. So this part has an answer of V is equal to 3 by 2 times R. Remember, every subscription counts and motivates me to keep bringing you the best educational content. So hit that subscribe button and let's conquer these exams together. And I will use this equation to find out voltage, or when we need to find out the resistance. As in the lower part, we have been asked to find the value of V when R is equal to 15. For this second part, I will use this given equation, that is V is equal to 3 by 2 times R, and all I need is just substitute this R is equal to 15 into this equation. So I will come up with V is equal to 3 by 2 times 15. So that's super simple, that 3 times 15 will give us 45, and when 45 is divided by 2, I will come up with 22.5 volt. Okay, so as we have, our voltage has a unit of volt. So this part has answer of V is equal to 22.5 volt. If you found this video helpful and want to ace your exam with more helpful contents like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you will be first to know when I upload new lessons, tips and exam strategies. Plus, it supports the channel, allowing me to create even more quality content just for you. Next, we need to calculate the value of R when V is equal to 15. So again, using this master equation of to solve part 3, it is V is equal to 3 by 2 times R. As we need to find out this R, I need to isolate this R. To do so, I will just use simple algebra, like here. To isolate this R, I will multiply 2 here. As I have multiplied 2 on this side of equality, to cancel this 2, I will multiply 2 to this side of equality as well. So this will cancel, and I will come up with 3R is equal to 2V. Now dividing 3 to to isolate this r. So as I am dividing 3 on this side of equality, I will divide 3 on this side as well to keep the integrity of this equality. So this 3 will be cancelled with this one and I will be only left with r. Now as r has been isolated, it's super easy for me to just substitute this v is equal to 15 into this equation. So that will give me 2 times 15 for v divided by 3. So 2 times 15 will give me 30 divided by 3, which will give me 10. Okay. So when v is equal to 15, r will be equal to 10. Okay. Now for this fourth part, draw the graph of v against r. Okay. So as we know this master equation that v is equal to 3 by 2 times r. As I have to draw the graph of v against r, so I will draw this v along y-axis and r along x-axis and the constant will be as it is. So now it's time to draw this graphs that will be equivalent to this equation v is equal to 3 by 2 times r, and we are using GeoGebra to draw its graph. So it's time to go there and writing this equation. So this is the equation y is equal to 3 by 2 times x. Represents a linear relationship between x and y. Slope of the line of this straight line is 3 by 2, which means that for every 1 unit increase in this x-axis, y increases by 3 by 2 or 1.5 units. This positive slope indicates that the line will slant upward from left to right. Now the y-intercept, we can see that there is no constant term in the equation at the end. So the y-intercept is 0. This means the line is passing through the origin. We can clearly see. So the graph shows a direct proportionality between y and x, which is originally v and r. So as x doubles, y also doubles, and so on. So this graph is a straight line that passes through the origin. The line rises steeply because the slope is 3 by 2 is greater than 1. So if you want to see the points for 0, 0 and for 1, as I told you, this is the slope. Per 1 unit increase in x-axis is causing increase of 1.5 in the y-axis. As from 1 I will go to 2, as here I have an increase of 1 and here I have increase of 3 by 2. So again on x-axis there is an increase of 1 unit, and on this side this is an increase of 1.5. So this is it. So this shows that v and r are directly proportional to each other. Good luck with your studies, and don't forget to check out the full course on direct and inverse proportionality and the playlist. You have got this.